Cock-a-doodle-doo, clock squawking on the nightstand, slapping the alarm. I stumble to the pot, got coffee on the stove top, button up the blue collar, time to make the boot swap. Out the front door, yeah, sun ain't even up yet, sunny, but we sure are, yeah, 'cause time is money and we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars. Taking, peeling, shuck, stack, digging, tilling, swing that hammer at the 2x. 40 hours well past, raking in the grain cash, stacking up the haystacks, red clay paid, 'cause we ain't afraid of breakbacks or a good sweat, nah. The sun ain't gone down yet, sunny, so we ain't done yet, hell no, 'cause time is money and we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars.
I'll be up and at it by your first break. I'll be working the whole day. I ain't in the road play. Catch me in the road cage, chillin' just a chewing up that black dirt. Plowing, planting, cropping, I ain't stopping till my ass hurt. Silver Queen shucking with the farm, all trucking with the mates 55s. Boy, y'all ain't seen nothing. I'll be getting with the picking nearly all day, doing it all the way, cropping till we all pay. Hey,
another long hard road to the next one starts, buddy. You don't wanna know what the tractor parts cost. I can get you up a figure for a rig and a plow. I got some heifers in the back, but I don't sell holy cow. Man, that old Ferguson burning about 250 a gallon. I'm out here churning up dirt and I'm working, turning the plow. And you dig? Probably do it on your own time. I keep your youngest supper coming down the lunch line.
Yeah, we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars. Come Saturday night, I'll take my baby out on the town, and on Sunday it's church, and then lay around the house. Yeah, we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars.
sat beside a man from Hollywood, California on a plane. He said he had rich and famous friends, yeah, he liked dropping names. I said, well, how'd it do? It's good for you. I dig a lot of those actors, but son, you ain't got a thing on me. See, I got friends with tractors. They'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Come Friday night, we hit the woods, go bogging in our trucks. It's just about a guarantee some good old boy gets stuck. Where I come from, you can bet your butt a mud hole ain't a factor. I'll sink mine to the floorboard, 'cause I got friends with tractors. And they'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah. I've been to fancy 5-star restaurants and I left there barely fed. They charged me for the water, the butter and the bread. That gourmet meal looked more to me like fish bait on a cracker. But I'll stay fat and happy, 'cause I got friends with tractors. And they'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out, then fix the road. They're good at slowing speeders down when they pass through from out of town. We'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah, I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Yeah. Yeah, man, talking about Internationals, John Deere's, Massey Ferguson's, whatever you got. We don't discriminate. Front end loaders, bush hogs, post hole diggers, need them, gotta have them. I believe I do know one actor. Is Larry the Cable Guy an actor? Oh well, he's got a tractor.